Hi friends, this is your Python partner here, and now we are going to see another program on list. Okay, so this is like a seminar. Okay, that's going to happen, and we are just going to reserve the seats for the persons who are ready to participate, and we have to just give them or allocate them the correct hall according to their age. So now you would have already assumed that we are going to get name and age from users. Of course, that is what we are going to do, and we need to have a common list where we store the names of every person that entered, and we have to just allocate that persons to the right hall. Okay, we just have to divide them into the right hall according to their age. So for that we have another list, that is hall 1 and hall 2, and let's see what is actually happening inside this program further. So see, in this program I have taken empty list, that is persons, and as well hall 1 and hall 2. Okay, these three are empty list, and now I'm just going to use for loop here. So for I in range of 10, so that thing or that range of operation will generate a sequence from 0 to 10, right? I mean 0 to 9. The ending point will not be included, as you know it. So that's it. And so name is equal to input of enter your name. So I'm just going to get the names of the users, and here age as well. So this whole input function, it is wrapped inside the int function, in the sense that there need to be some sort of comparison in order to check what is the age and how we have to, how we need to allocate them to the right hall. So that's it. So we'll enter some 10 names, right? So that's it. So after entering that, we have to just go to next line. That is, we are just going to check the age. If the entered age is greater than or equal to 10 and age is less than or equal to 30. In sense, in the first condition, we are just going to check the persons are from the age 10 till 30. Both the numbers are included. If so, if that person is in between this age group, then he need to be inside that hall 1. So we have to print hall 1. Okay, that is what was happening here. So print of hall number 1, and we have to append their name to the hall 1. So how we are going to do that? Hall 1 dot append of this particular name. So here first, imagine that I have just going to enter the name Raj, and the age is 15. Of course it is included in this first condition. So obviously, yes, hall number 1 will be printed onto screen, and their name will be appended onto hall 1. And once again the loop runs, right? So when I is equal to 1, so I is equal to 1, again an user is going to enter the name and age, and let's think it is we are going to enter Reshma, and age is 35. And now you can see it is not coming inside the first if loop, like age is greater than or equal to 10 and age is less than or 30. It is not coming inside this. So obviously this if loop will not be executed. Then the program control goes to elif condition. See here, age is greater than or equal to 31 and age is less than or equal to 50. So the age gap is 31 till 50. Both the numbers are included. So Reshma is 35. Obviously we are just going to print hall number 2 to the screen, and this Reshma's name will be appended to the hall number 2 list. So that is done here. Hall 2 dot append of name. Okay. Yes, and now once again the loop runs. I is equal to 2. So for that, again the user is going to enter the name. We can think, okay, some Rahul is entering and his age is 20, of course. So it is coming inside the first if loop. So it will be executed, and this elif loop will not be touched. It is completely ignored, and his name will be appended. So likewise, we can just imagine like some Shri is entering, and of age 32, and John 40, Rani 35, Venu 25, Hari 27, say like J 45. Okay, so all is completed. So the loop is entirely completed. So what now we just have to see that. So now our persons list will be appended with every names that came to participate in the seminar, and as well hall number 1 and hall number 2 will be given that particular names according to their age. So first we have to see, we have to print the names from that person's list, like entire names of the persons who really wanted to attend this seminar. So for that we can use a for loop once again. So for name in persons is the list, right? It includes the names of everyone who entered inside this seminar. So yes, and I'm just going to print the names. So of course we are just going to get this output like Raj, Reshma, Rahul, Yesi. You can say everything. So that's it. And now we have just going to print hall number 1, that is person's reservation list in hall number 1, and that also we are just going to loop. So for I in hall 1, and we are just going to print I, and as well print hall number 2, that is persons in reservation list. So here also I'm just going to loop through it. So the thing is for I in hall 2 of print I. Okay, so that's it. So till this you can understand. At first we have taken that some number of persons into the seminar thing, and we just allocate them the correct seminar hall according to their age, and we just printed the complete names of list and as well the hall 1 and hall 2. And this last two if loops are in sense, it's just to make sure, like if hall 1, we are just printing attention seminar begin sharp at 10 a.m. in sense if there is some at least one member in this hall 1 list, only then this attention message will be given out. If not, it won't be executed. Here in this example, of course, in hall 1 we have more than one names, right? So this will be executed, and as well in hall 2 also we have more than one names. That means hall 2 is also not empty. So this last two if loops are entirely to check both the hall is not empty, only then we are just going to give the attention message, okay, regarding the details when the seminar is going to happen. If not, this both will not be executed. Fine. So that's it, friends. I hope you really understand it. So yes, join me this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting. Bye bye and take care.